Hi, I'm Rebecca Thomas, the writer and director of Electric Children. The title Electric Children comes from basically the group that forms when Rachel finally meets Clyde. I felt like Rachel and Mr. Will were sort of born in the era of technology but never knew it, and so when they go to Las Vegas they kind of enter this electric paradise where they meet and kind of join up with Clyde and Johnny and kind of the gang of punk rockers. And so I felt like they joined their generation and called them the Electric Children. The soundtrack was curated by Team Love Records, and Nate Krenkel's kind of the head of that. And I basically started working with them from the beginning, with Nate from the beginning, trying to figure out what kind of music would be in this film since it's such a part of the plot. The song Hanging on the Telephone came in from the very inception of the idea. I basically thought, I want to make this movie and I want this girl to basically have a magical experience or a miraculous experience with a certain song. And so I sort of thought, I wonder what kind of song could get a girl pregnant. And I formed this list, and towards the bottom of the list was this song Hanging on the Telephone by The Nerves. And it's such a simple pop rock song. I couldn't help but sort of get it stuck in my head, like Rachel gets it stuck in her head. And so I thought this has to be the song. And it talks about telephones, and she gets sort of obsessed with electronics and new media. So it was perfect.